trying to put it on Daddy's foot.
Oh, no.
Shoes go on our feet, huh?
Yeah.
Put that one on. Conley, can you put my slipper on?
Oh, good boy. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Yes, good job.
Yeah, there you go.
Wow, you're doing a good job, honey. Yay. All done?
You all done? Thank you.
Conley. Hey,
Look at Mom.
Conley. Good job. Yay. Yay. Can you come pet Bella? She's making silly noises. Hmm?
Bella.
What are you doing, Conley? Oh, you wanted your duck? What is that? What is that? Conley, what is that? Hey, what is in your hand?